Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer photo from iPhone to PC. So simply at first connect. So at first take this cable type C. So type C side put your iPhone and this side put your PC. Then you get this option, just press on to allow, and when connect then go to search option, search that to photo, open photo apps, look at the top corner, click on to import and select Apple iPhone. Okay, it's loading. So you just select photo that you wanna add, select add to item, create folder, new, rename, create and press on to import. Okay, now successfully import. Now check. So that's it, that's how you can do it.